Are you bored? Are you lonely? Do you feel like you have nothing to do? Well, we have such things called fidget spinners, only for 40 bucks at the grocery store. You will enjoy it. So many tricks on it. You can do this and that, and just make a funny face, ugly face. You can even battle against your friends with these spinners. Fight against them for a spinner. The loser will lose his spinner. Fight! Oh, you can do all sorts of tricks in battle against your friends. It's a multiplayer game. The Swirling Tornado. That's the only trick I know. You can just laugh at anything. Just be a retard. Just enjoy yourself. You can even do this. But I'm telling you, you will lose your spinner. This can cause accidents. Your friend may beat you. They can even laugh at you. But now, these are only for 40 bucks, $39.99 on the grocery store. Fidget spinners.